Hi, my name is Nathaniel McGee, and this is my goals for my ePortfolio. First of all, for some personal information, I grew up in eastern Kansas in a small town of Blue Mound. Has about 250 people, and I now live really close to there, about 35 minutes north, and I teach at Central Heights USD 288. My wife is originally from Osawatomie and is now a fifth grade teacher there. And I have a 1 year old named Elliot who is just now getting around to learning how to walk and learning some new words and developing new things and uh, doing new things every day. So it's really a fun time in our lives. I enjoy being outdoors. I really like to hunt and fish, and I like to work with my two German short hair pointers that I've trained in hunting. And I have one young one that I'm just starting to train, and one that's older and already well trained. I'm an agriculture education teacher and an FFA advisor, and I'm also because I'm in a small school, I get the luxury of being a full-time bus driver for my school district. My educational background. So I graduated from Jayhawk Lynn High School in 2008. I then attended Fort Scott Community College and earned my associate's degree. And while I was there, I was on the livestock judging team and traveled around the United States doing that. And then I graduated with my bachelor's degree in agriculture education from Kansas State University in 2013. I spent the first 2 years of my teaching career, including my student teaching experience, so actually 2.5 years in Winfield, Kansas. And then I just started my 6th year at Central Heights. So I started, just got done with just into my 6th year there. My personal goals in years 1 to 5. First of all, I plan on going on an Alaskan cruise in 2022, and I would like to complete our family with one more child. I plan to have at least one more child, and then to begin to take over my family's farm. It's getting as we get my family gets older, it's becoming a more and more of a reality that I'll be needing to take over sometime. That's kind of a side business. Next 6 to 10 years is build a new home on my family's farm. I'd like to be close to my parents as they get older. My sister lives in Chicago area, and so it's really up to me to watch them as they get older. I'd like to row crop farm about 70 acres and build a small cattle herd. And then I'd like to spend as much time with my wife and children as I can. And then beyond 10 years, I'd like to retire from education. I'd like to spend my retirement traveling with my wife and family, and spend some time with children and hopefully some grandchildren too. And then, if possible, I'd like to expand the farm and continue to raise and train my hunting dogs. So most of my personal goals relate to family and my hobbies and passions. My professional goals. In 1 to 5, I'd like to attend a professional development each year to expand my knowledge in ag education as I continue to grow as a teacher. And then I would like to continue to be an active member in my building leadership team for my school and earn a professional award through KAAE or the KACTE. I would love to earn one of those. I'm on the committee right now, so as soon as I'm off that committee, I would be able to apply for those state awards. And then for the next 6 to 10 years, I would like to make the move to administration, preferably at the assistant principal's level. Then I'd like to build a school culture that makes for an enjoyable and effective environment for both students and staff. I myself have been on a building leadership team where I've seen the overhaul of a school and the changing of a culture, and I would love to be an even more active part of that as an administrator. And then I would like to begin to look at maybe moving into a principal's position near the end of my 10 years from now. And then beyond 10 years, I'd like to continue to serve my school and community and help form a school that we can be proud of and that the community can be proud of, and that prepares students for their future. One that's real key for me personally in my profession is I'd like to retire while I still have my passion for education. I think that's important. I think there's just too many people that get burned out and they try to hang out or hang in there for the last few years of their career. I don't ever want to be one of those. Then I would like to earn a professional award as an administrator. Why did I choose Fort Hays? I had several friends, and colleagues that have gone through Fort Hays' online program. the cost was economical, and I liked the 9-week schedule because it would work in my schedule. My initial expectations for the program: to be well prepared for a career in administration, to be able to be challenged academically through the coursework, and to network with knowledgeable public school educators and Fort Hays State professors to build lifelong career contacts. This program has exceeded my expectations. I'd like to thank you for your time and look forward to a great semester. Thank you.